Magandang gabi po at narito na ang resulta ng ating 9 p.m. Lotto results today, araw ng Friday, July 24, 2026. At para sa draw natin ngayon ay ang Ultra Lotto 658, ang Mega Lotto 645, ang 4D Lotto, ang 3D Lotto, at ang 2D Lotto. At para po sa ating 4D Lotto, 7, 5, 6, and 7 in exact order. And for Mega Lotto 645, sa winning combination of 14, 20, 19, 31, 2, and 11 for the jackpot prize of 20,899,725 pesos and 81 centavo in any order. At para po sa update ng ating Lotto winners, ipinopost ko po siya under our comment section. And for Ultra Lotto 658, sa winning combination of 47, 54, 26, 10, 5, and 36 for the jackpot prize of 153,993,280 pesos and 14 centavo in any order. And for 3D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw, 1, 2, and 9 in exact order. And for 2D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw, 29 and 27 in exact order. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.